Welcome back to my channel. Folks, today I'm going to show you how to increase your graphics card's video memory if your PC is low on graphics card memory. This method works on any graphics card, Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA. This little trick can boost gaming performance and improve FPS. I'm going to show you how, so let's get started. First of all, let's check the VRAM on my system. Right-click on the desktop, go to Display Settings, scroll down to Advanced Display, and then click on Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Here you can see that I'm running Intel graphics, and the dedicated memory is only 128 megabytes. Your graphics card may show different values. Now, here's how this works. I'm going to show you a chart, and this depends on the amount of RAM in your system. For example, if you have 8 GB, 16 GB, or more. My system has 32 GB of RAM. To check this, go to System Information, scroll down, and look for Installed Physical Memory. As you can see, mine shows 32 GB. Based on the amount of RAM, I'm going to set a value in the Registry editor. You need to check your own system and then follow the table that I'll provide in the video description. Now let's go to the Registry editor. Type regedit, then go to hkey_local_machine software. In my case, I'll look for Intel. Yours might be NVIDIA or AMD, so look for the one that applies to you. Expand it, right-click, select New, and then Key. Name the new key GMM in capital letters. On the right-hand side, right-click, select New, and create a word 32-bit value. Name it exactly as shown on the screen, dedicated segment size. Make sure there are no spaces and that the capitalization is correct. Double-click on it, and under Value Data, enter the value in megabytes according to your system RAM. I'm copying and pasting the value based on my 32 GB of RAM. Once you've done that, close the Registry editor and restart your PC. After restarting, one more thing you can do is go to Device Manager. Right-click the Start button, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. You can also click Windows Update, then check for updates, to make sure everything is up to date. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you liked it, please subscribe. See you next time.